So the last video, which came out today on Easter, 2 Easter specials. 2. So in the last video, I was fishing, but I finished it off the video, off camera, and so now, oh, there's eggs. Oh, there's eggs. Oh, there's eggs to find, but I need to sell fish. And I finished up fishing, so I am going to sell me some fishing. So all fish. Perfect. Okay, now once that's done, let's go try to find me some eggs. Let's go. We're a minute in. That's good. I need to watch the time. There's a bunny. Wait, this bunny is all over. Is there eggs in here anywhere? No. Maybe in here. No. Oh, they're probably over in the town. Wait, how do you get up there? Oh. The eggs? So, we're on an egg hunt. I already did my egg hunt. You check every building. Come on, my meat. Let's go. So I want to change the name. What eggs are we looking for? What? What are the eggs at? Wait, why does it say RP? Does it not show up? And what? He's gone. Don't worry, BP. We'll find eggs. Some point. You're wondering what I'm eating? It's candy. I'm gonna be a kid. I wanna be tiny. There, I'm tiny. That would've been cool. Is that the guava juice? No. Oh, wow. There's literally not a single one to be an adult. Minus some size. Oh, where's that dog one? Oh, return back to normal. Perfect. Oh no. Okay, so I have eggs to find. Eggs to find. I am not going fishing again. No! I never focus on the top. You know what? That's it. I'm not doing this game. Not doing Meep City. Guys have any ideas of what game we should play next time? Leave your comments below and I'll check it out. Welcome to Bloxburg Zombie Attack. I don't know what to play. Popular near you. Mining Simulator might be good. Let's try this out. I've never tried Mining Simulator, so don't bug me. Don't say I'm a noob. Well, I am a noob, but don't bug me. Don't bug me about being a noob. Oh, I got a backpack. 225 Robux. Oats. Oh, it's, Spaceman Steve. I thought it was, I'm gonna go mine. I need Robux for everything. Can I mine here? No. Easter? Wait, what? Oh, this is what this game is. I'm in a corner. I'm breaking the rules of Minecraft. I'm digging straight down. No, this game's done. How is that one game when you're out on the island? It's like chest to find. For real, we need to find it. There! Oh my goodness, I went right past it. It's Treasure Hunt Simulator. Never played this game too. The other game? Now this is the game I want to play. But, oh my goodness, I got the win with the backpack. Choose your color. Green. Green. Yes, I got a green bat. Oh my. I want to go to islands. Join. Oh my goodness. Oh, I want to add him. 10. Oh. I seriously have a bucket. A bucket. I need a shovel. Oh. How are you supposed to mine with a shovel? I'm in a bucket. Yes, let's go. Oh, shoot, I fell down a hole. I don't know what this is. Finally, now. Oh, yeah, new ground. Can I buy you a shovel? Can I buy me a shovel? Right enough. Oh. Oh, wait, no. Yay! I have 50. So, oh, great. Question of the video. I'm trying to do daily videos, but if I can, I will try to post as many as I can in a day. Already? I got my shovel. Come on, move. Oh, wait. Come on, move. I got one about my shovel. Leave your comments below on what game I should play next. And Roblox. Already? I need a bigger backpack. Upgrade. Backpack. 150. I can make our money. Wait, what now? Hey.
Hey.
I'm making a video.
I'm sorry, what are you doing?
Making a video. Don't judge me. Question of the video. Or the gameplay. I completely forgot it. I know it's not, not what game it is. That's dark and evil. Not what game we should play next, that's just asking. But, how do you think of this thing? What are you doing this Easter? Are you like spending time with your family? Oh, I got 100. Like to buy me that backpack, boy. Question of the game, that or video, whatever. What is your favorite game in Roblox? And what is the And what is the first thing you do on Easter morning? 2 chests. I'll get this one. Yay! Wow, treasure chest on the phone. Five diamonds? Oh, 0 diamonds. Oh. So, yeah, that's the question. What's your favorite game on Roblox, and what do you do? No, scratch that question. Question of the day: What is the first thing you do on Easter morning? My bag's full. 125. That's awesome. I'm so high. No, not. No, not. So, the first thing I do is, you know the baskets that have the goodies in it? I put them down there. Then, I get there. I open them up. Woo! That's why I got some candy. Got a whole bunch of candy in mine. I'll have dental issues. And then I go for egg hunt. And then my rest of the day is playing video games and watching YouTube. 125.